What is up, and welcome back to the video. So as you can see on this misty morning, we are at Erora MX track, and we're gonna do the little off-road course here, explore a little bit, and then smash the MX tracks. We did bring the tools along, so we might do some suspension tuning. Don't know yet. We'll see how it goes when we get onto the MX track. Yeah, so let's get up, warm up, and go have a lap ride. Alrighty guys, so we're jumping onto the MX track now, and as I mentioned earlier in the text on the video, this is my first time out on the MX track, so it's nothing spectacular. I just try to get comfortable with the jumps, focus on body positioning so I don't go over the bar, do like Ronnie Mac style wheelies. So next time around, now that we're comfortable, I'm going to try to focus on clearing the bigger jumps, working on speed a little bit, and getting that rhythm section down. So I'm hoping that you guys will appreciate the content, and I'm looking forward to show you guys my progression from here. Enjoy the video. Peace out.
Yes, so we made some good progression throughout the day. We were absolutely owning on the off-road tracks. The little small motocross track went well, and the big motocross track, oh dude, so much fun, so much fun. Almost got to a point where we cleared all the jumps. So what do you think? What did you think of the ride today? Should we ditch the Enduro bikes and buy MX bikes?
Well, I was just about to ask you that. I just saw that smile on your face and I was like, give it another month and he's gonna get an old fat 4-stroke. A lot of fun, man, like backpacks on, like everything, and we like cleared some of the jumps. Like there's some big gnarly ones out there. My suspension is still full Enduro, so bottoming out is not so much fun. But I really had a great time, and like smashing through these berms are like so much fun.
Yeah. So yeah, Enduro spec motocross racers, if you want to sponsor us, you know where to find us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the like button, hit subscribe, please drop a comment down below, and peace out, keep ripping.